Hello and welcome to our Quell Training YouTube channel. What we do here is we talk a lot about staff safety for both organisations and also staff. But what we also do every now and again, we talk about equipment or even apps. And what happened to me a couple of weeks ago, I suppose was quite interesting for us as a company that obviously advise on lone working. And what happened was I was staying in a hotel in the Republic of Ireland, Cavan to be specific, and I was working with our clients, and I probably remember from the date of this video being released, there was a cold snap. And I came out one morning to go out my car, got into my car, and my car was totally dead. The battery was gone. I couldn't start it, no lights, nothing. So obviously I rang AA Ireland, and basically they said, oh, someone can be out in X amount of hours. It was interesting because I had to go and sort out this incident for my client. Luckily enough for me, my client knows me, and I rang and they picked me up on the way through. But when I told the AA, look, I can leave my car at reception, I definitely noticed a battery that's dead, could you sort it out? Long story short, they said, nope, I have to be there. So again, I arranged it to be there for 4 o'clock. I went at 4 o'clock, I was waiting for them. I'm going to be honest, they didn't arrive till very late. But we'll leave that there because so many different complications going on. But it was a dead battery. So I was thinking to myself, right, what happens if this happened again? And I noticed they used a booster. So I spoke to my team, and believe it or not, on the Friday, for those of us that are doing the big distances, I bought us some boosters, like the NOCO Boost Plus. This is the GB40. There's different types. And I quite like it, believe it or not, and I'll explain why in a second. It has USB chargers, it's charged via USB as well, it's got lights, obviously a torch, it flashes. I'm not going to do that here now. And you also get what you need is your jump leads. They're quite solid, very good well material, and you've also got things like a charger for your the old classic cigarette lighter. Plug it in, it charges the unit, and obviously you've got your cable to carry out the charge. I've obviously decided to buy you get a bag with it, but we've bought proper cases for it just to basically protect it in our vehicles. But this is where it made me laugh, why I thought it was good to make a video. I was also at another hotel there recently, again in the Republic of Ireland, and I came out in the morning. It was still coming, what the weather people said, to the end of the cold snap, and there was actually, believe it or not, a businessman that was trying to start his car. It was dead. Again, still don't know what happened to my car. It's fine ever since. So I actually got the pack, went over, and I said, do you want me to try this for you? We popped it in. I wish I videoed it, and it started. No word of a lie. Put it on, left it, I think it was something like 20 seconds or something. We hit the button, turned it on, and the car started straight away. And that's why I thought this was good. Now, they vary in price. I've said this to a few people because people have been asking me about it. They vary from price from 100 up to 120, but it's down to the type that you want. But again, I'm hoping you'll see the videos behind me and the ideas to say to you that, look, prevention's better than the cure. I'm sure you're fed up of hearing me say that, but that's true. It's like we have tyre weld in my car, the old tyre foam. I've done videos on it. I've got a car compressor for my tyres, things like that. Even de-icer, scraper, you name it. Because even a warm coat I've kept. Because we don't realise how serious something happens until we actually, shall we say, have it. Just an idea. So please have a look at it, have a think about it. I know it's a lot of money, but in the long run, if you're doing some miles and you could possibly have that risk of a flat battery, is it not worth it? I'm just saying. And even if you do have a flat battery and you can't charge it, at least you've got a big power pack. This is pretty good. This is a big power pack, so you could charge your mobile phone, etc., etc., etc. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, whatever you're doing, and bye for now.